Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open a clip and select Effect Controls to find motion parameters immediately. Position uses pixels relative to the sequence frame and shows numbers. For a 1920x1080 sequence, the center reads 960, 540 for position. Scale appears as a percent with 100% as default image size. Rotation and anchor point change how clips rotate around a center point. Toggle the stopwatch beside any property to create the first keyframe. Change values later in the timeline to record motion automatically. Place playhead where motion should begin and toggle the stopwatch to set a keyframe. Move the playhead to the ending point and change position or scale to add another keyframe. Right-click a keyframe to choose Ease In, Ease Out, or Bezier Spatial Interpolation. Choose Linear for constant speed or Bezier for smooth curved paths. Open the graph editor to view temporal speed and adjust handles for better motion. Adjust keyframe spacing to control timing from 0.5 seconds up to many seconds. For more control, add the transform effect to a clip and disable motion's native blur. The transform effect gives a shutter angle control where 180 produces natural blur. Nest clips or place them on an adjustment layer to animate multiple clips together. Use the anchor point and position values like 960, 540 for 1920x1080 to center motion precisely. When scaling above 100%, enable use maximum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.